Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Freedom by Richie Havens on guitar. This timeless anthem is known for its raw energy and unique sound, largely due to Richie's innovative approach. We will delve into the special tuning and techniques he employed to create such a powerful and memorable performance. Get ready to unlock the secrets behind this classic folk rock masterpiece and bring its spirit to your own playing. The heart of Richie Havens' Freedom lies in its unique open D minor tuning. To achieve this, tune your low E string down to D, the A string stays A, the D string stays D, the G string goes down to F, the B string goes down to A, and the high E string goes down to D. This creates a D minor chord when all strings are strummed open, providing a rich, resonant foundation for the song. With your guitar in open D minor tuning, forming chords becomes intuitive. You can create a G minor chord by simply barring all 6 strings at the 5th fret. For an A minor chord, move your bar up to the 7th fret. To transform that A minor into an A major, add your middle finger to the 3rd string on the 8th fret. This simple barring technique is central to the song's harmonic movement. Richie Havens' strumming is incredibly dynamic and percussive, almost like a drum. Focus on a fast, energetic 16th note strumming pattern, often improvising the rhythm. Use your right hand to create a driving, rhythmic pulse, incorporating your thumb to hit bass notes and selectively mute strings for added texture. This powerful, almost furious, strumming is key to capturing the raw emotion of freedom.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.